I'm Jeff Debus. I'm the CEO of the Beckwood Press company. Beckwood Press is essentially an engineering company that designs and then manufactures hydraulic servo presses and automation systems. Beckwood was established in 1976 by Charles Becker, who started the company as a manufacturer of hearth products such as fireplace glass doors and wood-burning inserts. Beckwood started as a unique player in the press industry. We came to market specifically to provide custom solutions.
Beckwood really has the ability to design or develop a machine for virtually any application that's out in the market today. You know, that's one of the things that makes it so exciting to work here every day, is you really don't know what's going to come through the door from day to day.
So if you wanted a small machine with high tonnage, we could build that. If you wanted a big machine with low tonnage, we could build that. Those were not available in the industry back in the 70s and the 80s. We currently offer press systems anywhere from 1 ton up to 10,000 tons, especially in our triform hydroforming line. We came into the industry specifically focused on providing our customers with solutions that weren't already there. So we like to say that when the phone rings and the customer says, we don't know if this is possible, but this is what we really want to do for our application to try to gain a competitive advantage, we know that's our customer. We're not the guys that are just going to do things traditionally out of the box. We like a challenge.
Custom designed presses here at Beckwood is really our bread and butter. It was the very first product line that we had, and it's really where we get to show our creativity and our design capability to our customers firsthand.
Another advantage that our company provides its customers is a breadth of experience. Whether it's an appliance application or an aerospace application, an automotive application, a medical application, we've got years of experience in many, many different industries.
We are very heavy into the aerospace industry, a lot of aerospace specific applications such as hydroforming, stretch forming, titanium hot forming, rubber pad forming, deep draw forming, and a variety of others. I mean, really the application variety is drastic. And the great thing about Beckwood is that if you feel like there's not a machine out there for your application, we're a great fit for you. We are constantly innovating. We custom design machines all the time. We really like to get into those really unique, really specific applications where an off-the-shelf catalog type machine just won't work for you.